Hi everyone, welcome you all to another video of Dynamics 365 Business Central Billing and Subscription Module. So last few videos we have discussed about the billing and subscription module and how it's related to international revenue standard, what are the setups which we have to do in the backend in order to do billing and subscription module. So in this video, I'm going to post sales order and show how these financial transactions and how this billing and subscription module prorate revenues throughout the period and how to incur cost or how to incur revenue which related to billing and subscription module at when our time period reached. Right, let's start the process. I'm starting with the sales order. When we are creating sales order, so when we are selling items, sometimes we are selling service items, sometimes as example Microsoft licenses we are selling and we are receiving cash today for future 12-month period. Then as per the international accounting standard, we can't incur all proceeds to the revenue. We'll have to park that value in deferred revenue account. At the once your period reach only, you can pass that related value to the revenue account until you receive your relevant period. You'll have to keep that in the deferred revenue account. So let's start with the sales process. Sales order, I'm going to create a new sales order. And yeah, starting with this create research, and yeah, that's okay. I'm selecting here Microsoft licenses. Once I selected it, system suggesting me service commitments which I attached with the relevant item. So here I have set up two commitments for this item. So I'm selecting second one, which is calculation basis 100%, billing basis 12 month, and the billing rhythm also 12 month. So I'm selecting here it, and I'm giving quantity as 10, value is 1000, then the tax group code is non-tax, sorry, tax is non-tax. Okay, all selected. Let's preview entries. So you might get surprised because it's system not suggesting something regular doing. Here we don't have any GL entries for this sales order because at the moment we are not posting anything. We are posting sales order, but at the moment, as for the accounting purpose, we are not getting any entry. We are getting entries at the point of we are receiving cash, at the time of we are committing those services to your customer. So hence that you will not get any entry at the sales stage, because the one other reason is we'll show you this item. This is a Microsoft licenses. These are non-inventory items. Because of that, you will not get that value. As well as I want to show you in the item card that service commitment. When I am selecting that item in the sales order, system suggested me two service commitments. So that we'll have to set up in the item card under the item service commitment package. Here we have to set up. Once we set up it here, system suggesting us when we are selecting items in the sales order. Other than that, in the prices and sales service commitment options, I have selected as the service commitment item. So I have explained these stuffs in my previous video. Right, let's pause the sales order. Once I paused it, system will not give you posted sales invoices as usual, because it's because this is billing and subscription module. So where you will get entries, you will not get any posted sales invoice, but you will have one service commitment for this sales order. The commitment runs through the 12-month period. Base period is 12 months. Billing rhythm also 12 months, as well as service amount is $10,000. So not dollars, 10,000. You'll have to split 10,000 throughout the 12-month period, and the calculation base is 100%, which means if your sales order value is 1000, 10,000, the 100% value we are prorate throughout the period, right? Then all good. Next step is we have to go for the recurring billings. Under the recurring billings only we can create uh, s- sales invoice for this transaction. Okay, I'm giving this date and I'm asking to create a billing, but still I'm not getting that value to here. The reason for that is we have to give we have to assign contract to this customer, so this transaction. So at the moment I don't have any contract, so let's create contract quickly. T10 10. Yeah, we'll give name is here. We are not selecting any starting date, and that's enough for now, right? Then assign selected service, because why we wanted to select under the service commitment we have set up, this is related to contract, that's why it's came here, right? Once I assign, it gets disappear from this table. Let's go to service commitment quickly and show you. Okay, we'll show you it later. Then let's run it now. Yes, now I'm getting this line like this. Then after that we have to select that line and create a document. If you want to post now, you can post it. Other than that, you don't need to post. Contract partner, let's get invoice recipient. Okay, now I created another sales invoice for this service commitment. So if I click on here, or if you directly you can go to the sales invoices. So if I click here, I'm getting line like this. Contract number is this is the customer name, and this is the item, these are the values. Then let's preview this. If I go to preview posting, okay, I'm getting small error, like we'll have to select wet, that's okay. Then let's preview. Okay, now only I'm getting entries. So if I go to the GL entries, these GL entries which are related to, this is related to deferred income account 26500 deferred income account. It is credit account, and receivable account will be debit. So once our period received, deferred income account get debit and the revenue account will be credit. We'll show you it. And deferred income account will have to set up in the we have to set up in general posting setup, and we'll show you at the end of the video where we have to set up this deferred income account. Right, then customer contact deferrals, system creating customer deferrals for this entry. So if I expand this, you can see for the 2025 April month, from that 10,000 value, 547.95 goes to the uh, April month, May, June. Likewise, system splitting that value through for the period. Let's go out from that. Now you can see from April to next year, April, system created entries, but not posted, created under the customer deferral table, but there are no any GL transaction at the moment. So system splitting this 10,000 value throughout this period based on days, right? Other than that, others are customer entries and the tax entries, so it's a normal thing. Then let's post this one. I'm going to post this. And other thing I forgot to show you in here in the contract, customer deferral contract, still we haven't released this. That's why if I go there, yeah, I'm show you if I not release any transaction yet, which means still we haven't posted anything to GL accounts. Okay, let's go back again and post this. Okay, I'm going to post. Right, I have posted it, and now only I'm getting posted sales invoice. So if I go to these values, you can see the GL entries like previous, and the customer deferral entries also you can see same as previous. There are no any releases because still we haven't posted anything for the any period. Right, now let's post April related entries now. Then you will have to go for the contract deferral release. So through from that you have to run report, and I'm giving date as 31st, sorry, 30th as 30th. Then once I click OK, system posting entries to relevant account. Now if I go back and go to these customer deferrals, you can see now one entry we have released, which means entry related to April month already we have released. Same as this, let's do to the May month as well. Contract deferral release, we are going to release for the May month as well. 31st May, and here also once I run it, system posted, and May month end, the revenue value related to May also posted here. Now you can see again for the 2 month we have posted. Then let's go to the general ledger entries and see where we have to set up this, how this value posted actually. So let me write sort it to the entry number. If I see this, you can see this 29249 account. 249 means 834 is debit. This debit entry goes to deferred income account, because at the moment when at the beginning we posted it to credit side, then month by month we are debiting and posting it to revenue account. This is the revenue account 1530 contractual receivable account. Then where we have to set up these two accounts, for that we'll have to go for the general posting setup, and under the general posting setup we have place here customer contact referral account. At the initial point, system crediting values to this account, total proceeds. Then the month by month, system debiting customer contract referral account and credit customer contract account, means credit into the relevant credit account, which means when we are posting billing and subscription module, system not recognizing revenue account as this sales account, system getting this customer contract account as the revenue account, which related to billing and subscription module. So hope you have some understanding about how works services in the billing and subscription module. So item also working on same way, but we'll show you separate video for the items as well. So let's meet up with another very informative video. So until next video, stay safe. Thank you guys.